Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are enjoying your vacations and having a good time. Today we are reading about computer and I am your teacher Hira Ali. I am going to teach you unit 2 of your computer book, parts of a computer. But before that you have to keep that in mind that you have to take care of yourself in this scorching heat and warm weather and take great care of yourself and your family, drink water, stay hydrated and wear light clothes. Now let's start our unit and move on to the reading first. You will learn more about computers and its some basic parts such as speakers, microphone, headphone, printer and a CD. So our first part is speakers, which is again an output device because it's giving us information. A computer speaker is a device that connects with the computer to generate sound. We can listen to music and speech stored in a computer with the help of the speakers. Now speakers are used to listen to the sounds which can be stored in your computer. They help us in listening to audios or any kind of music you want to listen from your computer. Moving on to the next part, next is microphone. A microphone allows computer users to record the sound with the help of a microphone. Microphone is an input device because you are sending your voice to the computer to keep it in that recorded. Like the speakers give you the voice, you send your voice through microphone to the computer. So this is the main difference between a speaker and a microphone. Now moving on to the next device, which is printer. Printer is an output device. Let's see why it's an output device. A printer is an external hardware device because it is being connected with the computer externally, right? Then we print a document with the printer. This picture is an example of an inkjet computer printer. This is the picture of a printer, which is inkjet computer printer. Through a printer you can get printed documents in the paper form. Whatever you want to get on the paper from your computers, you can get it through printers, right? So it's again giving you information, which makes it output device. Now moving on to the next device, which is headphones. It is another output device. Headphones allow you to listen to audio or watch a movie without disturbing people around you. Just like speakers, it gives us voice, it gives us sounds, but through headphones only you can listen to that sound, others won't be disturbed, so it would be only for you. Okay. Now move on to the next device, which is CD compact disc. Compact disc is the full form of CD. So if anyone asks you what is a CD and what is the full form of the CD, you will answer it is compact disc, which is again an input device. Why? Because we store information in CD. A CD is a digital optical disc. This is the definition of a CD. Compact disc is its full name. It is the full name of CD, but a CD is a digital optical disc. This is your definition of a CD. We can save and retrieve our data on a CD. We can also save cartoon films on a CD. So save and retrieve means you can get your data again and again from that CD because it will be saved in that. So after knowing all these parts of the computer, let's move to the bookwork. Turn your pages, sharpen your pencils and pick it in your hands. Again, your first question is, write the names of the parts of the computer in the blanks. First picture is speakers, right? S-P-E-A-K-E-R-S, speakers, right? Next is microphone, M-I-C-R-O, micro, P-H-O-N-E, phone, microphone. Okay, now move to the next picture, that is CD. Only write CD here because it is giving the complete message of that picture. Now moving on to the last picture, that is printer, P-R-I-N-T-E-R, printer. Okay, now solving this, move to the question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. Our first blank is, we can record sounds with the help of a, now we can record sounds with the help of a microphone, not speaker, it's microphone, M-I-C-R-O, micro, P-H-O-N-E, phone, microphone. Second is, headphones allow you to listen to sounds. Third is, a printer is an external hardware device, D-E-V-I-C-E, device. Fourth is, a dash is a digital optical disc. Now we have read this definition and we know it is CD, right? A CD is a digital optical disc. Second last is, we can listen sounds with the help of the speakers, S-P-A-K-E-R-S, speakers. Now the last is, we print a document with the printer. Now we print documents with the help of a printer. So we will write here document. Now moving on to the next page, our first question is, put a tick mark on the correct name of the devices. Again you have these 4 pictures and 4 names of the devices with each picture. You have to tick the right name of that device shown in that picture. This is speakers. So find the speakers in these 4 options, which is on the third option, on the third point. So tick that box. Moving on to the next picture, that is microphone. So monitor, mouse, speakers, microphone. Last option is microphone, tick on it. Again next is, this is the picture and options are keyboard, mouse, printer, microphone. Now third option is printer and this is the picture of the printer, so you have to tick this box. Again this is the picture of CD and you have to find the name of the CD in these 4 options. First is compact disc, mouse, speakers, monitor. Now we know that compact disc is the full form of CD, so you have to tick this box. After completing this, move on to the question number 4, which is, write T for true statements and F for false ones. Your first statement is, we can record sounds with the help of a microphone, which is true, so write T. Again next is, we cannot listen sounds with the help of the speakers. Now this is wrong, so write F for false. Third is, a printer is an external hardware device. Now this is true, so write T. Fourth is, a monitor is a digital optical disc, which is false because a CD is a digital optical disc. So write F here. We cannot print a document with the help of the printer. Now printers are used to print the document. How can they cannot be? So write F here for false. So again the next answer is, the next question is about these devices. You are given the details of the devices in these 4 statements and you have to write the right name of the given device. You have to draw a line here like this and write the name then. So read the first statement. Name the device which can print a document. That device is printer. Next statement is, name the device which allows you to listen the sound. That is speaker, S-P-A-K-E-R, speaker. Next is, name the device which allows you to record the sound. That is microphone, M-I-C-R-O, micro, P-H-O-N-E, phone. Last is, name the device which can save cartoon films, and we know that is CD. So write CD here. Now we are done with the book work. Move on to the booklet work. So on your booklets you will find MCQs first for this unit, and the first statement is, a dash is a digital optical disc. We are given 4 options here. First is DVD, second CD, third video player, fourth monitor. Now we know it's CD, so circle this option like this, right? Move on to the next. Dash allows computer to record the sound. Now which devices? First is microphone, second headphones, third telephone, fourth printer, and we know it's microphone, so circle this option like this. Third is, a dash is an external hardware device. First option is keyboard, second monitor, third mouse, fourth printer, and we know it's printer, so circle it like this. Last is, dash can save the cartoon films, and we know very well it's a CD. So, we will circle the third option CD, right. After this, move on to the short question answers. Our first short question is, how do speakers help us? So, you have to write the answer. We can listen to music and speech stored in a computer with the help of the speakers. Now, we know that speakers gives us sounds and voices, and we can listen to music and speech stored in the computer with the help of the speakers. Now, move on to the second short question, which is, write the name of some common printer. Now, we have read the one name during our reading, that is one inkjet printer, and the second form is laser printer, L-A-S-E-R, laser, P-R-I-N-T-E-R, printer, laser printer. So, this is done. Now, move on to the third short question, that is, what is the function of a microphone? A microphone allows computer users to record the sound with the help of a microphone. We know that through microphone we can record all sounds to record it in a computer. So, again read it, a microphone allows computer users to record the sound with the help of a microphone. Done. Now, move on to the notebooks and write the long question, that is, your first long question is, what is the CD and how it helps us? So, you have to write the answer. First of all, the definition of a CD. A CD is a digital optical disc. You are going to answer this question, what is a CD? A CD is a digital optical disc, and how it helps us? First point is, we can save and retrieve our data on a CD. Second point is, we can save cartoon films on a CD. So, now we know that what is a CD and how it helps us. This is your whole answer, and through this. So, students, we are done with our second unit as well. You have read about the parts of computers and how it works. So, with this, I am bidding you goodbye and take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.